Very good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the sol gel process or chemical solution decomposition of nanomaterial. What is sol gel process? In definition, it is a method for producing solid materials from small molecules. That means the small molecules will combine, the solid material will be produced. That is called as sol gel process. First one, sol. What is sol? In the sol process, the particles are separated. In gel formation, the particles are combined. In above the picture, the sol and gel formation will be explained. In sol, the particles are separated. In gel formation, all the particles will be combined in aqueous solution. That is called as sol gel process. What are the steps are involved in sol gel process? In this process, there are 6 steps are followed. The first one, hydrolysis and polycondensation, gelation, aging, drying, densification. The final step is crystallization. These 6 steps are very important for sol gel process. The first step is hydrolysis process. In this process, the molecular pressure, usually we are using metal alkoxide, is dissolved in water or alcohol and combined to get by heating and stirring by hydrolysis. In this technique, the molecular pressure dissolved in the particular solvent. This is the hydrolysis process. In second step, gelation. The formation of gel form a sol with polymers. In this step, the first step, the molecular pressure is dissolved in water or alcohol. In this stage, the gel formation will be formed. At the same time, the polycondensation method, all the particles will be combined each other. So we are adding the solvent and heating or stirring. All the atoms will be combined. The sol gel formation will be generated. This is the first step. In gelation process, the combined molecule formation of gel form. This is the gelation process. In third step, aging. Aging is reduces the subsequent shrinkage during drying. Increase the size of the gel particle. So, in gel form, second step we have formed the gel form. In aging method, the gel form will be gives sometimes in separately is formed the aging method. So the gel molecules are combined to each other. The big size of molecule will be formed. This is the aging form. So he takes sometimes in gelation, the give or increase the size of the gel particles. So aging means increase the size particle. This is called as aging method. In fourth step, drying and densification. In this step, removal of the remaining liquid, especially the solvent, is done by drying process, which accompanied by shrinkage and densification. So densification means the removal of impurities and other liquids. Especially in first step we are adding the solvent particles. So that solvent particle will be removed in fourth step, drying or densification method. In last step, fissing or crystallization method. A thermal treatment is necessary to enhance mechanical properties and structural stability via sintering and densification. In this method, the pure crystal formation will be formed. That crystal is called as sol-gel method will be formed. So in this method, sol-gel method, the sol-gel particle is converted into the nanoparticle. This is called as sol-gel process. So we are using the 5 steps. First one, hydrolysis or polycondensation method. Second one, gelation. So first step, we are adding the solvent. The molecule will be combined, the sol and particle will be combined, the colloidal substance will be formed. This is the first step. In second step, gelation. In gelation process, all the sol gel formation will be combined to each other. This is the second point. In third step, aging process. Aging means give some time, the small particle will be form big particle. In single line definition, increase the size of the gel particles. This is the aging process. In fourth one, drying and densification. We are dry the sol gel particle, so we are apply the heating. Finally, the solvent and other impurities will be removed. The dry crystal will be formed. In final step, fissing or crystallization. In this thermal treatment, we are give the sintering and densification method. The particular nanoparticles will be getting the result. This is the steps involved in sol-gel process. Advantages of sol-gel process. In first one, sol-gel process produce very pure and homogeneous nanostructure with relatively large quantities of final product at low cost at relatively low temperature. So in first point discuss, in low temperature at the same time low cost, we are get more product in nanoparticles. This is the first advantages. Second one, the reagents are very simple compound. So very simple compound get the sol-gel and nanoparticles. Third one, special equipment is not required. Borosil, Pyrex containers are used. So we are not using any big instrumentation in this method. Just we are using the beaker and Borosil, Pyrex containers are used. Just first step, we are adding the hydrolysis process, and second one aging, gelation, third one aging, fourth one densification, the final one is crystallization. This is the method of sol-gel process. Thank you.